Hi bunny friends, welcome to my channel, the Raspberry Rabbits. Today I'm showing you some of my favorite stitches. I have a previous video on how we did the stem stitch, but now I want to show you how I did this lazy daisy stitch, which is all these little leaves that went around this little garden. So come on over here to my hoop and I'll show you what we're doing. I have one piece of Valdani size 12 pearl cotton and a size 7 embroidery needle. Alright, so there's where I had the stem stitch, and now I need the lazy daisy stitch to fill in these leaves. So I'm going to come up right here at the point of that V right there, come up with my needle, and then what you're going to do is I hold this out of the way with my thumb there, and you're going to come back in real close to it, and you're just going to push your needle right to the end of that drawn line, okay? So I pulled the needle up here, then I put it back in beside it and went to the edge of the drawn line. Okay, so you're going to push it like that. Then you're just going to wrap this thread around there, just like that. Okay, let me show you that one more time. You're wrapping the thread around the needle right there. And then you're just going to pull it through. Okay, and then, so it makes that cute little loop. And then you're just going to go right over the top of it to secure it. Boop, and there's that little leaf. Okay, let's do one on this side now. So come over here and we'll do this side. And again, you're going to pull the needle up at the point, at that V. I hold the thread out of the way with my thumb. I go right back beside it and I come up to the edge of that line right there. Okay, and if it's a little bit farther back, that's okay. It's just as long as we're covering that drawn line. All my designs come pre-printed on the linen, so you're just stitching on the line. Okay, and again, now we're going to wrap that thread around. We're going to push it through. Forms that loop, just like that. And then we come over the top to secure it, so that the loop doesn't pull out. Okay, then what I do, so we're going to come up to the next one. So all I do is from the back, I travel with the thread up this way. Keeps it kind of neat and clean. A lot of people that used to do cross stitch, it was all about seeing the back. But embroidery, I'm not worried about seeing the back. But this is a good way to travel so you don't see the stitches. Okay, again, we're coming up at that point. Getting this out of the way with our thumb. Coming back in at there. Coming to here. Push that, wrap it around, push it through, and secure it over the top. All right, one last one. Again, we're going to come up at that point, get it out of the way with our thumb, push it in, come right up to that edge, wrap it around, push it through, and secure it off, just like that. Okay, there's the lazy daisy stitch for you.